With Mando's Newsroom app, you can publish your press releases, your announcements, your product updates, and even your blog post. You can even train your AI customer service agent on your newly published content. I'm Malaz from Mando AI, and I will show you how to set up your Newsroom app in just a few minutes. So for the sake of this demo video, we will be using this e-commerce brand, Chelsea Dogs, that sells a dog product, and we will create a Newsroom app for it. So whenever you want to create a new app on Mando, you should always go to the home page of your organization / workspace, and then you click on create an app. So I will give it a name and a description. So I will be creating a blog for Chelsea Dogs. So Chelsea Dogs blog, maybe the same description. And yes, I mean, as you can see here, you can select your language. Mando supports 19 languages, including, major languages, Spanish, Arabic, French, and so on. So create an app. So yeah, now we created a blog for our demo website. You can preview your blog. I mean, at the moment is empty. We haven't made any customization. So let's go to the settings and create the relevant customization. This is the general settings of your Newsroom app. You can preview from here. Let's add the logos. Okay. And then here where you can host your Newsroom app on your own domain or your subdomain, I will leave this to the very end of the setup process. Here where you can integrate your, analytics tool, Google Analytics, you can add your stream ID. And here where you can control the visibility of your AI customer service agent within your news app. And also we'll leave this at the end. Let's go to styling, but before that, let's hit save. So styling, to be honest, I'm happy with the current colors as they already fit Chelsea Dogs website or the demo website. Maybe I'll just change the font to enter, and then I will hit save. Header, let's make some changes to the header content. Chelsea Dogs blog. Now you can add any additional links to your header menu. So I will go and grab the Chelsea Dogs website, then about us, then okay, and then I will hit save. Let's preview our changes. So that's the header menu. Perfect. Okay, let's move now to the footer section. I will make some necessary footer text changes, so related, to legal and copyright. Okay, and the same for the footer URLs. So I'm gonna, not this one, and then save. And here where you can add your social media links. So Chelsea, let's preview again. And here are the links we added, and here the social media links. Let's move now to the article section where I can control, the visibility of the table of content, author, breadcrumbs, and related articles. So I will leave it as it is. So this is it. We now managed to set up our blog in just a few minutes. I mean, we made it super modern, super simple and flexible. So let's go now and create some content. I will go to the content page and then I will create a new article. So I already have some context because we'll be using our AI editor. So the first one is a new arrival. Okay. And I have some context. And now I'll use the AI editor. So just like ChatGPT, you give it a prompt, a bit of context, and we'll create the article for you. So I have the context already copied. So create a new blog post on our new product arrivals using the below context. And then I will click on generate. And now it's creating the article for me. Great. So I will click insert. The article is perfect. So I'm going to use this part of the article as a description for the article. Okay. And now I want to make this article as featured. I'll change the status to publish. And finally, I want to make sure that this article is integrated with the AI customer service agent of Chelsea Dogs. And finally, I will add a featured image and then I will click enter. And then I will. Okay, so let's check the article now. Okay, perfect. So that's the article we created. That's Dora's photo, my dog. And let's check the article. Perfect. So now I will add maybe another article because, it looks a little bit empty. I will go back to content and add a new content. And here I will call it our story. I will remove the checklist. AI writer. Again, I mean, same as ChatGPT. You just give it prompt and a bit of context and it creates the article for you. Create a blog title context. I will go and grab the context. 1 second. Okay. It's now generating the article. It's looking great. I'm going to use maybe that headline and maybe as well using part of the intro as a description of the article. I want to make this article maybe featured again, and then I will make it published. And finally, I want to make sure that it's already integrated with the AI customer service agent. So I will hit on click, and finally I will add an image. So I will use maybe this image. Okay, and then hit publish. Perfect. So this is it. Now we have a blog. It took me a few minutes to create a very nice looking blog, simple, super fast. And now I want to make sure that the Newsroom app is also visible within the AI customer service or the web chatbot. So it appears here. So I will go to the customer service agent app, and then I go to channels, website messenger, and then scroll down, and then I will activate it, make sure that it's ticked. Perfect. Save. Go back now to chelseadogs.com. And here are the articles we published and the news app here. So now I want to host this newly created Newsroom app on a subdomain on Chelsea Dogs. So I will go to the settings, the app settings, and then here I will create a subdomain blog.chelseadogs.com, and then I will hit save. So now I have the CNAME or the A record. I will use the CNAME to create a subdomain. So I will come back in a second. So yeah, I have this Newsroom app hosted on a subdomain of Chelsea Dogs. It's looking great. The final thing I would do is to make the AI customer service agent or the chatbot visible on the Newsroom app. So I will go back to settings, and then here you just activate and then save, like here, refresh. And now we have the chatbot also on the news app. So this is it. I hope this was very quick. So if you have any feedback, please let us know. In the future, we will add maybe more designs and more templates. But for now, we made it super fast, simple, and looking very modern and nice. That's your feedback, and thank you very much for watching.